Hello guys, this is CA Vishal, Junior Faculty for ACCA CFA and SBR paper. Now just with last 15 days remaining for your upcoming September 2026 examinations, I am here to give you few do's and don'ts that you have to do in this last 15 days of your examinations. Okay, now additionally towards the end of the video I will also be giving you information about my upcoming FR and SBR marathon, so I request all of you to watch the video till the very end, and we will discuss each and everything that you have to do in this last 15 days of your examinations. Okay, now come on guys, I will start with the most important don't. In this last 15 days you are not required to study any new topics. No guys, please, you might think, okay, it's just one topic, I can study. No, but please don't. Okay, whatever you have studied, please have faith in that. Whatever you have studied, please have faith in that. Okay, and you start revising. You start revising now. Now when I say revising, it doesn't mean just taking your textbook and plainly reading or revising it. No, that's the worst way of revision. Then what is the best way of revision? What is the best way of revision? I'll tell you guys. The first best way of revising is recall and revise. Recall and revise. Recall and revise means, let's suppose you have studied IFRS 16 leases now. Okay, then close your eyes and think, okay, what is the meaning of lease? What is the meaning of lease inception date? What is the meaning of lease commencement date? What is the accounting of lease in the books of lessee? What is lease remeasurement? What is lease modification? What is accounting in the books of lessor? What is sublease? What is sale and lease back? So this is how you have to recall and revise. Now the another best way of revising is through practice. Now in these last 10-15 days you need to practice a lot. Sir, from where to practice? From where to practice? You need to practice it from past papers. And trust me guys, past papers are the best source of practice. The best source of practice, guys. Whatever strategy I'm telling you now is a well tried and tested strategy. I have used this strategy when I was a ACCA student and I was able to secure all India rank 2 and a global rank 7. I used this strategy when I was pursuing my CA studies also, and this gave me around 95 in CA final AFM, advanced financial management, right? So it is a well tried and tested strategy. It worked out for me, and I am very much sure that if you follow this strategy it will work out for you as well. So please listen to me very carefully. Okay, now when I say revising by way of past paper, how exactly you need to revise? Okay, so now what you have to do is in this last 10-15 days you are not required to focus on the BPP kit, Kaplan kit. If you have already done it, well and good, no need to worry. Okay, if you have not done it, then also no need to worry at all. Just go to ACCA CBE platform, the practice platform. Okay, and there you will find past papers, practice papers, specimen papers. Make sure you are solving at least one paper every single day in the exam timed environment. In the exam timed environment you are solving those questions. Now when you solve those questions, there can be three outcomes. Okay, your answer might be correct, your answer might be wrong, or you're not able to attempt the answer. No need to worry. Okay, for the correct answer ignore, but for the wrong answer or the answers you were not able to attempt itself, I request all of you to go and read the entire concept surrounding that question, okay, and come back and resolve these questions where you made mistake or you were not able to solve the question itself. Trust me, if you repeat this process for at least 5 past papers and totally in an exam timed environment, okay, considering this as a real exam, don't consider it as a mock test, consider it as a real exam. If you do this, trust me, it will be a game changer for you guys. It will be a game changer for you guys. Okay, now third best way of revising is through our videos. Now also just see here for FR, if I talk about FR, I have already uploaded the end revision of the entire FR in 8 hours. Super 30 important questions, the revision of the group accounting chapter in the most exam oriented manner, explaining how exactly to adjust each and every item in SOFP, group P&L, associates, disposal, everything in the exam pattern, exam pattern, like how you have to solve group SOFP exam exactly in the same manner we have discussed group accounting. And trust me, this has helped students in the past a lot, and it will help you a lot also. We have discussed group section C, 10 super important questions. Okay, all of these are available for free for you guys. Okay, examiner report analysis, the analysis of last 10 attempts examiner report. Okay, all the mistakes done by the students cumulative at one single place in one single video of just 45 minutes. It will give you the benefit of reading at least 10 examiner reports. Okay, so I recommend all of you to watch these videos. I will give the link of these videos in the description box. Okay, now for SBR, I have already uploaded the revision of the entire SBR syllabus in 15 hours in two parts. Okay, now you can use that video. Practice of group accounting in around 5 hours. I practiced all the conceptual questions of group accounting, which will make sure your 30 marks is for sure done. Examiner report analysis of the last 10 attempts examiner report analysis I have done, which will of immense help for you guys. Now all these videos link I will be posting in my description box, so you can go and check out from there. Okay, now so you can use our videos for revising. Okay, so that because if you watch these videos, it will be very easy for you to recall. Okay, but yes, watching the videos is not a substitute of practice. You need to practice, you need to recall. You can use the videos additionally over and above, but you cannot just by watching the videos you cannot ignore these two. You have to focus on these two as well. Okay, now next, you have to read. Even if you have watched my examiner report analysis, still you have to read at least 3 examiner reports, the latest ones. The last 3 examiner reports you have to read. A bare minimum 3 is required. Okay, in the examiner report, how exactly to read? So you will have to find 2 words. What stronger candidates did, you have to adopt that. What weaker candidates did, you have to avoid that. Okay, just find these 2 words: stronger candidates, weaker candidates. Okay, and whatever questions that are there in the examiner report, make sure you are solving them, because ACCA copy pastes that question in the exam as it is. Many times they do just copy paste. They just copy paste. Okay, so I will request all of you to read at least last 3 examiner reports. Then what? I have already uploaded the video of FR most important topics and SBR most important topics. Okay, I request all of you to go and watch that video also, so that you get to know what are the important topics of FR and SBR. It doesn't mean that you are required to avoid the topics. You have to give equal importance to the topics also. But the most important topics video which I have uploaded, it only to emphasize that you should focus a little bit more on revising these topics. Okay, because they are the you can say constantly or frequently asked topics. Okay, for high numbers, weightage is very high. Okay, so you should focus a little bit more on those topics. Okay, now so these are okay. Now one more thing, you should not miss out on the pre mock for September 2026 exams which ACCA has released. You cannot miss out on that. You have to solve it in the exam timed manner. You have to solve pre mock September 2026 for sure. You cannot miss that. You cannot miss that at all. Okay, now next part. You know what, guys, being a student, because at some point of time even I was also a student, and what happens in this last 10-15 days, we as a student will seek assurance. Sir, I have done till this much, will I pass the exam? I have done till this much, will I pass the exam? Now your mind will constantly ask for self assurance, and in that case I will say that please keep working hard. Please continue to study. Don't worry about anything which has not happened so far. Okay, you still have the time to change your result. You still have the time to change your result. If you focus properly in this last 15 days, you can change your result. I have seen students changing the result in the past. Okay, just by focusing very sincerely in this last 15 days, because this last 15 days are do or die. If you focus sincerely in this last 15 days, yes, you can clear the exams and with good marks. Okay, now coming to the next topic, that is our marathons. of our FR SBR marathon. Guys, we are planning to conduct marathon. Okay, ideally we used to conduct either FR marathon or SBR marathon in every single attempt. But this attempt, as per the need, I am planning to conduct the marathon of FR and SBR both. Okay, now this is not final, but it is a tentative date. FR I am planning to conduct on 30th of August. Okay, that is a Sunday. And for SBR on 5th of September, that is a Saturday. Okay, considering you guys will be available on these dates. But guys, this is just a tentative date. Now please help me in the comment box by commenting FR or SBR, so that I get to know whether you guys actually need this marathon or not. On the basis of the number of comments, I will be deciding whether you guys need this marathon or not, because the recorded videos of this marathon of the previous attempts are already there on my YouTube. But if you need it live, do let me know in the comment box, FR or SBR. Okay, you can write FR live or SBR live in the comment box, and on the basis of number of comments, we will be conducting the marathon for FR and SBR. I believe this marathon definitely will help you a lot. In this marathon, what I do is generally I help you with the revision of the entire syllabus, all the important areas we touch upon. Okay, I take up examples so that you understand. Okay, basically, if you would have revised the FR paper in 4 days, if you sit with me for around 7 hours, I will make sure that the entire FR is complete. Similarly, if you sit with me for SBR for around 7 to 8 hours, I'll make sure that your entire SBR is complete. Okay, so what happens? The revision gets fast track. The revision gets fast track. That's the benefit of this marathon. Okay, that's the benefit of this marathon. And doing it in live manner, you can ask me your queries. You can enjoy it and study. You can enjoy and study, right? So this is the benefit of the live sessions. But still, do let me know in the comment box whether you actually need this marathon or not. On the basis of which we will decide whether we're going to conduct the marathon or not. Okay. Now, one more thing, we will be uploading the videos of FR and SBR pre mock for September 2026 in our YouTube channel. I request all of you, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe. Please do subscribe, because there are a lot of useful content around FR and SBR, and also the strategies for the overall ACCA as well. Okay. Thank you guys. Bye.